Rev up your ride and step into the future. Welcome back, gearheads and tech enthusiasts. Today we've got something special for you. A turbocharged lineup of the hottest and most innovative car gadgets you absolutely need in 2024. Odie. The only device ever made that addresses a widespread annoyance is Odie. Have you ever let your phone fall into the hard-to-reach area between your console and seat in your car? A pen, some earrings, some French fries, a credit card, some coins, or some keys? Have you ever attempted to get the thing out with your hands, only to find yourself having to wriggle your vehicle seat back and forth, up and down, and into the most uncomfortable positions to try to get it out? You are not alone if your response was yes. You need Odie, the ultimate grab-it gadget. Car Sign Automobile. Sign is an elegant, user-friendly LED automobile sign that encourages polite and sympathetic encounters on the road by allowing drivers to express gratitude and apologize. Drivers can communicate regret or gratitude without adding to the tension by flashing the words "sorry" and "thanks" in bright LED lights. Automatic brightness adjustment. A clever light sensor included inside the sign allows it to automatically change its brightness according to the surrounding lighting. It guarantees the best possible visibility in various lighting conditions and in both day and night scenarios. It guarantees that the messages are seen to other cars clearly day or night, increasing their impact. Pumpit is a remarkably small and multi-purpose air compressor, measuring only 5.1 inches on its longest side and weighing only 1.1 pounds. It has preset modes and a range of nozzle adapters to inflate a variety of cars and household goods. It doesn't need a cable to connect to a power outlet in order to function because it has a built-in battery. It is quite easy to use. Just plug it in, hit the button, and the pump will begin to operate. Its auto cutoff feature and easily readable LCD panel make sure the tire is filled to the proper pressure without going beyond. Pumpit is a compact, practical pump that everyone should have on hand for home inflation tasks or roadside emergencies in the garage or automobile. Ozonix. The Ozonix Micro 3 Auto Deodorizer will keep your vehicle smelling clean and new, whether it's an RV, truck, car, or boat. Take advantage of the following attributes. It creates ozone molecules in a safe manner that thoroughly clean the surfaces and inside of your car. You may count on it to get rid of viruses, bacteria, mold spores, and more. This car deodorizer is suitable for use in trucks, cars, boats, RVs, and UTVs. Remove unpleasant smells to create a clean, fresh atmosphere. Just insert the Micro 3 into the cigarette lighter of your car. Next, let it running for 20 minutes to thoroughly clean the interior of your car. At the conclusion of every cycle, the device turns off automatically. Lectron V-Box plug-in EVs that are compatible with J1772 using the Lectron V-Box 48 AMP charging station. Plugs into a normal NEMA 1450 wall outlet. It has amazing speed and power. In addition, it is an effective 240V Level 2 EV charger that is Energy Star certified for J1772 EVs. Moreover, its maximum output of 48 amps results in a very quick charge. As an alternative, you can select 16, 24, 32, or 40 amps as the lower amp option. You have the option to hardwire it for strong Level 2 charging if you decide against using a NEMA plug. Its extra-long 20-foot cable is convenient. In addition, its design offers remarkable strength and durability, and it has an IP55 weatherproof rating, allowing you to use it in any weather. SCotia utiliza the SCotia Fresha smartphone vent mounts to keep your car smelling fresh. This device doubles as an air freshener and a car phone mount. You won't need to replenish the Freshie air freshening packs for at least a month because each one lasts for a full 30 days. Combining two devices into one can help you keep your car neat and organized. The SCotia Fresha mounts are offered in 4 different types, with Magic Mount and Universal Grip options. Depending on your preference, any of these options comes with or without free-flow technology. Neodymium magnets hold the Magic Mount design in place, while side grips on the Universal Grip models allow phones up to 3.5 inches in width to be held firmly in place. HUDLEY users that are passionate about cars will like using Torque's gauges. You will have a seamless heads-up display of all your car's performance data, including horsepower and torque, 0-60 mph timing, and more, in place of big physical gauges. Because the layouts are adjustable, you can show the statistics that are most meaningful to you. Now you can see Google Maps' simplicity and power on your windshield. Since HUDLEY operates natively from your phone, you'll always have the most recent information about traffic conditions. Notifications and texts from your phone will also be visible. You can reply and read aloud with the aid of Google and Siri. You never need to look down at your phone. All you have to do is ask. HUDLEY performs admirably in direct sunshine. The projection brightness is automatically adjusted using a light sensitivity sensor. The unique optical glass lessens glare and enhances reflection. A heads-up display is the safest way to access navigation, notifications, and vehicle information when utilized correctly. HUDLEY projects the information you need onto a transparent glass on your windshield using your smartphone. You will need to focus less because the final image safely displays 7 feet ahead of you in your field of vision. Dash Cam Hardwire Kit. This hardwired micro USB dash cam kit. Upgrade to the 5V. Micro USB 11.5 FT dash cam hardwire kit. Second generation 12V 24Vi. Ideal for round-the-clock parking surveillance. Death of the battery is prevented by low voltage protection. If your truck or car has a dash camera, this is a need. The camera is directly connected to the fuse box located beneath the dashboard, enabling it to receive continuous power from the car's battery. The 12-volt power outlet, often known as the cigarette lighter, can be put to better use with our micro USB hardwire kit. As the concealed wiring, it will improve the neatness of your vehicle. Nearly every automotive micro and small USB device, including radar detectors, dash cams, mirror cams, GPS navigators, and more, is compatible with the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit. Universal Car Phone Mount Magnetic. Experience the absolute universality of our car holder. It effortlessly accommodates phones of any size and seamlessly integrates into any car model. Its versatility extends to supporting up to 3 different devices with the inclusion of 3 discs in the set. Installation is a breeze, making it as simple as pie. Embrace the ease of 1 hand and 1 second mounting. Just bring your phone near the mount and witness it securely lock into place. Thanks to the magic of magnets, no clips or cradles needed. The mount goes beyond by providing a 360 rotation and freedom in viewing angles, ensuring convenience and a secure grip. Crafted entirely from metal, our small and stylish magnetic phone car mount not only looks impressive, but also delivers exceptional performance. Astro AI Tire Inflator. Rely on the robust durability of our tire inflator, crafted with Astro AI's exclusive Tough Ultra technology. Every core component, from the cylinder and motor gears to the connection rod, undergoes a cutting-edge powder metal, Lurgy integrated molding technique. This revolutionary manufacturing process significantly boosts the inflator's resilience, extending its service life by an impressive 30%. Experience the convenience of programmable inflation with our tire inflator. Utilize the M button to select your preferred pressure unit and fine-tune the desired pressure using the plus and buttons. The air compressor intelligently shuts off automatically upon reaching the preset pressure compact in size and effortlessly stored. This tire inflator boasts a lightweight and space-saving design. Whether in glove compartments, under seats, or in trunks, its portability makes it a discreet companion. When not in use, it seamlessly blends into its surroundings, almost unnoticed. BlueDriver. The BlueDriver stands out for its exceptional user-friendliness, featuring one of the sleekest interfaces we've encountered. It goes beyond mere fault code reading. With this OBD2 scanner, you can effortlessly navigate through identifying the fault code, researching the probable cause, finding a solution, and even ordering the necessary replacement part. What sets the BlueDriver apart is its ability to stay connected to your vehicle while you drive, providing real-time monitoring of system status, an advantage not commonly found in many OBD2 scanners. However, it's important to note that the BlueDriver does have some downsides. While it excels in usability, it lacks certain features found in professional scan tools. Additionally, users are required to download a companion app to their smartphones for optimal functionality. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall appeal of the BlueDriver remains. BlueDriver, The BlueDriver stands out for its exceptional user-friendliness, featuring one of the sleekest interfaces we've encountered. It goes beyond mere fault code reading. With this OBD2 scanner, you can effortlessly navigate through identifying the fault code, researching the probable cause, finding a solution, and even ordering the necessary replacement part. BOKA S4 Cordless. Achieve meticulous car polishing for both interior and exterior detailing with the BOKA S4 Cordless Polisher. This versatile tool includes an extension pole and a small area sponge, perfect for precise polishing in hard-to-reach spaces such as headlights, wheels, handlebars, trunk, window bezels, emblems, interior trim, tire shields, and other intricate details. Powered by an enduring brushless motor, the BOKA S4 offers an extended runtime, higher power output, and a longer lifespan. The brushless motor eliminates the need for carbon brush replacements, resulting in a tool that operates without sparks and noise. The cordless design enhances ease of operation and portability, while its compact and lightweight construction minimizes user fatigue during prolonged use. Experience unparalleled convenience with the 5-second quick change feature of the BOKA S4. The push press mechanism allows for effortless head changes, enabling you to switch your working track in just seconds without the need for tools, ensuring a seamless workflow. LOKI Tire Inflator. Experience unparalleled convenience with our tire inflator, featuring a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery that eliminates the need for external power sources during use. This cordless inflator boasts an impressive inflation speed 3 times faster than ordinary counterparts, providing a 35% increase in power. With the capability to inflate 12 car tires or 30 racing bicycle tires, you can say goodbye to low-power concerns. Beyond its role as a portable air compressor, this multifunctional emergency tool comes equipped with an LED light at the top, ideal for inflation in the dark, tire changes, or warning other vehicles at night. The top also features a C-type charging port and a 5V2A USB output port, transforming it into an emergency power source for electronic devices. Retractable Car Charger. Introducing our Retractable Car Charger, a hassle-free solution that ensures you're always ready for charging on the go. This charger includes a Type-C cable and a Lightning cable, both free to retract up to 31.5 inches, making it convenient for charging in the back seat. Say goodbye to forgetting charging cables and keep your car neat and tidy. With a maximum power of 66 W, our charger boasts a USB-C port and a USB port, allowing safe charging for up to 4 devices simultaneously. Experience charging speeds up to 5 times faster than ordinary car chargers, ensuring you don't have to wait when you need an instant charge.